All right, it's time for circle time. Let's look at the calendar. Oh my goodness, look at this. It is Friday already, and it's the 12th day of March. Can you believe it? March is flying by. Move this around. So let's sing our Days of the Week song. I just said it. Let's see. Get that practice in. Days of the week. 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 There we go. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Clap those hands. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Your turn. Can't hear you. Days of the week. Days of the week. Clap, clap. Days of the week. Days of the week. Friends. We clap, clap, and then we stop. So today is Friday, March 12th, 2021. Tomorrow is the 13th. Sunday is the 14th, and we'll be back here on Monday. Let's figure out our pattern. Are you ready? We're going to start right here. Remember, we have a clover, and we have a Dr. Seuss hat. So we're going to say hat. So we say clover hat, clover hat, clover hat. What goes here? Clover. What goes down here? What goes down here? Hat. Wonderful. Let's see. We said it was going to be sunny outside. It is not sunny outside. I don't even see the sun. What kind of weather do we have outside? It's not raining yet. It looks like it wants to, but it's what? Cloudy. That's right. What kind of weather are we going to have tomorrow? Make a prediction. Rainy? It's going to be rainy tomorrow? All right. We're going to say our alphabet together. Everybody ready to sing? Everybody ready to sing? All right, here we go. Let me hear your big voices. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? All right, we're counting to 15. Raise those hands up and give them a shake. Shake, 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 shake those hands. Shake your hands. Touch your head. Touch your ears. Touch your knees. Hands in lap. Let's count to 15. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, I need to hear you, 13, 14, 15. Counting backwards from 5, here we go. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! All right, let's look at some colors. What color is my fish?
Orange.
What color is my fish? Orange. What color is sadness?
Blue.
Blue. Good. What color is my Oreo?
Black.
Black. All right, looking at my shapes. What shape is purple?
The rectangle.
No, not the rectangle. The rectangle is black. What color or what shape is purple? What is square? Good job. What shape is blue?
Fire.
What shape is blue?
The triangle.
Triangle. What shape is yellow?
The star.
The star. All right, we're on to our nursery rhyme this week, and it's row, row, row your boat. We're going to grab those oars and pretend to row our boat. Grab those oars. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Now rock back and forth. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Grab those oars. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Now open up your hands like you're a big crocodile. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Now close it down. Good job. All right, and here we go. What letter are we working on this week? T. What does T say? Shake that finger at me. Excellent. T is the beginning of our princess, Tiana, and then we have tomatoes. Teen Titans Go, and turkey. That's right. We're going to stand up and sing where our letters begin. Whoop. Ready? Where do you start your letters? At the top. Reaching up. Where do you start your letters? At the top. If you want to start a letter, then you better. Remember to start it at the top. Here we go. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Where do you start your letters? At the top. Reach it up. Top. If you want to start a letter, then you better. Remember to start it at the top. Here we go. Going down. No, it's the bottom. Shake it in the middle. Shake it in the middle. Top. At the top. Listening. Ready? Reach up. Way up. Up. There we go. Reach out and touch the top. Going down. Reach down. Way down. Is that the bottom? Yes, it's the bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom. There we go. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom. Top, bottom. Do you start your letters at the top? Do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better. Remember to start it at the top. Go down. No, it's the bottom. No, it's the middle. It's the top. Top. All right. Have a seat on your bottom. We're making the letter T.
What's that?
T is a center starter. So we grab our big line and put it under our star. Are we done?
No!
What do we need to add? What is that called? A little line. The little line goes at the top. What letter did I make? The letter T. What letter? T. What does T say? All right, hands in lap. Listening ears are on and inside voices are off. My turn. Eyes are right here on the board. Big line down. Frog jump up. Little line across the top. Ready? Your turn. Fingers at the top. And we say, big line down. Frog jump up. Little line across the top. One more time. Fingers at the top. And we say, big line down. Frog jump up. Little line across the top. Little line across the top. All right, thank you for joining us for Circle. We'll see you on Monday.